Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a glowing burst particle in Unreal Engine. Let's get started. First, we need to create a new material for the aura effect. In the content browser, right-click, select material, and name it M-Aura. Open the material and set the shading model to unlit since we don't need lighting to affect our aura. Using an unlit material makes the glow effect more intense and independent of scene lighting. Now, let's create the glowing effect. Add a vector parameter and name it aura color. Connect it to the emissive color input. Then, at the multiply node, connect a scalar parameter to control aura intensity, and link it to the emissive color. This controls the aura brightness. Increase the aura intensity value to make the glow stronger. To make the aura look more dynamic, we'll use a Fresnel node. This creates a soft, glowing edge around the character. Add a Fresnel node and multiply with the aura color, then connect it to the emissive output. Adjust the exponent and base reflect fraction to fine-tune the effect. Now, let's add floating energy particles. Create a Niagara system and name it NS Aura Energy. Choose Confetti Burst. Select Sprite Renderer and apply the aura material we just made. Cool. Now drag the particle to the scene and test. Tweak the settings and enable post-processing bloom and exposure to make the particle more glow. And that's it. You've successfully created a glowing aura or energy effect in Unreal Engine 5.5. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.